Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start from the front center of the truck. Don't bother with the interior release. The only external route is through the grille gap. Once you're in front of the vehicle, feel for the narrow opening under the hood edge and use a flashlight to illuminate the area. Make sure to wear gloves to protect your hands and the paint. Now position yourself so your arm can reach up behind the grille toward the hood latch area. Once your hand is through the grille, locate the secondary safety latch, a small metal lever near the center. You'll feel it as a tab or loop. Your action is to depress or pull it toward the rear of the truck while maintaining upward pressure on the hood edge. If your hand can't reach, use a long, flat tool like a long screwdriver wrapped in cloth to avoid scratching. Make sure you keep control of the hood so it doesn't spring open unexpectedly. After the latch releases, lift the hood smoothly and secure it with the prop rod or struts. If the latch feels stuck, stop forcing it. Spray a small amount of penetrating lubricant into the mechanism and work it back and forth until it moves. Once done, reattempt the release while maintaining firm upward pressure on the hood edge. If access is still limited, consider gently removing the grille panel or using a padded long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.